Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your speaker Sony on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Sony. Now search, scroll down and you should install this application. Select your region and then click I read, here allow, next, agree, OK, allow, and close. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!